All right, here's the next item up in my friend's collection of vintage audio electronics that needs some work. This is a very nice dual 1257 turntable from the late 70s, I believe. And the complaint on it is that he says that one side output all hum sound. Trash. Now, I'm sure the trash is a question mark. He wants to know, is it any good? Is it fixable or not? And these things are notorious for having bad jacks, RCA jacks on their output cables. So it's probably all it is. I will check to make sure. But outside of that, this thing seems to be working. I mean, it's right on speed. And this is actually just like my original turntable, just right over here. Still have it. I still use it quite often. Bought this brand new, 1978. It's the dual 1237. So mine doesn't have the automatic light that the other one does. I think there's some other slight differences. So this is the model down from this one here. So it's nice to see it. It's got a real nice Ortofon cartridge on it. So I think what I'll do is just plug this in and verify the problem. And I'm pretty sure it's just bad cables or bad connector. The cables are usually good. I think the connectors just go bad. So let's see if that's the case. All right, got the old dual plugged in, playing a record. And see what it sounds like. There's the hum, all right. Just on one side, just like the complaint says. So I'm pretty sure it's just a bad connector. Let's try replacing both of those. All right, got some nice new connectors here. These have some gold plating on them or something. And we will get rid of these cheapos right here. And new connectors on. All right, got the two new connectors soldered on to the dual 1257 turntable. And it's playing a record, sounding good. And I hear no hum on either side. There's left channel only, right channel only, both channels. So it looks like that those connectors were the problem. So I'll let this play for a while and make sure that it's going to be in good shape, and then go through and we'll do a service on it. Lubricate the belt, or not the belt, lubricate the motor and the spindle, and check underneath the mechanism here, make sure it's all in good shape, and clean it up and give it back to its owner.